Sometimes people ask me, what does your future look like? I tell them I'm building it. Day to day, week to week, hour by hour. You know, to me, the future has a lot of meaning. Number one, the people. The people I'm with are my future. They're working with me to create the future of products in the building materials world. We're all in this together. We're all in this creating our own world of products, of materials, of lives, families, ideas, innovations. I see it as the way we all get ahead. We innovate to create what we love. And we all love different things. The greatest thing is we're all individuals. We all have the opportunity to be what we want. We all have the opportunity to create our own lives, to be special, to be unique. And that's what we're doing at HB Elements. Every day, we're working, we're building, we're designing something that's gonna change the way things are done. It's all about passion. It's all about what the industry needs. It needs something that can make things different. That's what HB Elements is. It's a different company with a different mindset of what buildings should be. New colors, new shapes, new sizes, new product lines. Every day, that's what we do. Join us. HB Elements. The future of building materials.